Hello everyone, this is Jo of Hooray Hoop again. Today we're gonna move on to my new series, the minimal, which is on the smaller hoop, which is the 15 centimeter hoop. The four in this series, the gum flowers, very cute banksia, our favorite flowers, the golden wattle, and my minimal pot here, which is similar to the design that I made before, but this one is a bit more simple. Today we're gonna start on this one, our red gum. So you have to learn, you get to learn, the back stitch and the French knot. So you can see it's a 3D poking out there. Gonna be nice and fun. Let's go and see how I do it. Alright, so this is kit. Inside you get everything you need for this pattern. You can contact me via the business card if you need any help. Pattern, so this is my hand draw pattern. It's got a gum leaf and the flowers. This is the new instructions, so you get pretty much everything you need, the pattern, the instruction, and in the back you get how to finish your artwork as well. In the back here, got two needles, got small and big one to work on this pattern, and the colors of your embroidery thread. Right, let's start it. Alright, I usually start with stretch the pattern on the hook, so make it tight. You can just adjust your screw on the top here and pull the side. So that, so you can hear it's quite tight now. You can start whenever you like, but for me myself, I usually start with the stem first and then the leaf and finish with the flowers. So with the stem we just get the brown thread. So go in here, so you get one out, and in each there'll be 6 strands in there. You just pull one out and we just slide through like this, and grab your small needle. Not you here, if you got a good eyesight, you can thread that through the needle straight away. For me, I got this little helper, it's called threader. Make it a bit quicker for me to thread it through. You can get it from your craft store, Spotlight or Pincraft. They'll have it just like this. So we do double thread, that means you're gonna knot at the end. Double it. And I'll start from the top here. This one called back stitch. So basically you just go about 2 millimeters and then move to the next one there. And come back to the same hole before. Okay. Let me zoom it in a little bit. Okay, so that's the same hole we went before, and you go to the next one. so that you can see it. Back stitch, just keep the length about the same so they look neat and tidy. Alright, so that's it. The brow one is done. Actually use only one string out of the thread, so you still got a fair bit left to play on your next one. Okay, next we're gonna work on the leaf, just along here, the green one. So just change the green one. Okay, let's just get one out. Now with the green, we're gonna do the double thread on the stem and around the leaf, but inside we will use a single thread just to make it a bit finer and add a texture into it. I will start on the around the leaf first, then we finish with the inside bit. Alright, so around the leaf is done. We just finished that thread there, so I'm gonna thread through another one. Let's grab one out. Now it says this is the single thread, so you just knot at one end and start from the top again here. Okay, so that's the leaf done. Few the stitch on there. Okay, next still on the green, we're gonna work on this here, the flower. Back to the double stitch again. We just need to knot it together. Okay. Okay, start with the top one again here. orange or the green. Lovely. Next is the red bit. Add a bit more the bright color in there. Okay, just grab the red one out. Again, one string like that. Okay, still double thread on this one. Start from up here. Beautiful. So the flower is done. Next is the fun bit, the dot here, which is the French knot. Alright, with the French knot, we will use the whole strand and put it through to the bigger needle. Just pull it out. And you just thread it the whole thing through the big needle. And just knot at the end again here. Like that. Now, with the French knot, you will need a space behind the hook to put it through. So here's my little trick. Just move my camera again to the end of the table space or the desk or whenever your working station, and you will need the glue tag to stick it on, and then with the screw you just stick it on like that. So what it is it's just the lock between the end of the desk or the table and your tummy. It's quite steady and tight. Okay, that's better. There. Now you're ready to do the French knot. I'll just zoom it in a bit so you can see the procedure of how I do it. Back a bit. Okay, so that's perfect. So with the needle that we prepared before with the thread, you just go from the under first one here, pull it all the way up, turn the hand, twist it twice, and put it back to the same hole. And then you turn this hand to hold it, and the other hand just go under the hook to pull the needle down. And there, get the knot. Okay, so that is done, the French knot. Right, so that's how I do it, the gum flowers. Nice and quick and quite simple. Couple stitches technique, as I said, back stitch and the French knot. I hope you got something there, and hopefully it's made you like to learn to do some embroidery. Next time we will come back with one of my series as well. I think, I'm not sure which one I'm gonna go. Maybe this one, the Banksia. So I'll see you next time. Bye bye.